Hello viewers, welcome to Answer of Tech. This is Amin Adimul Haq. Viewers, today I will show you how to solve major issue. This we face a big problem. Our Google Chrome do not any response. We cannot open Google Chrome and Google Chrome not work properly. So, how to solve this problem? Watch full this video. So viewers, I solve this problem two ways. At first, I double click the Google Chrome, but Google Chrome not opened, and again time I click Google Chrome shortcut and click open. But viewers, Google Chrome not opened. So how to solve this problem? So viewers, at first I click Google Chrome shortcut and right click of the mouse pointer, then I click open file location. Viewers, then I change the Google Chrome shortcut .exe file, change the exe file rename. At first I change this file rename. Then enter. Copy this. Copy this and paste your desktop. Viewers, this is our new Google Chrome shortcut. Then you restart your PC and again double click or open this Google Chrome. This is the one way. And another thing is same, you click this shortcut and then you right click the mouse pointer and go open file location. Then you double click this folder and then you choose this chrome.dll extension file. Then you delete this file and you go to your command prompt. So search here and this command prompt run as administrator. Then you type here metash WinSoft reset. Then you enter hit and restart your PC, and now after restart you open your Google Chrome and you work properly. So viewers, if this video help you, subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thanks for watching.